In today's quick and short video, I will show you how you can speed up your system by doing one simple trick. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, it will work on both systems. So let's jump into the task manager first. And on my screen, on my left hand side, on the top left hand corner, you can see the CPU consumption on the CPU tab. And also you can see the system hardware specification. I'm going to open Filmora and I'm going to run a project which has already been processed, but we will do some extra add-ons on this project, and then I will show you the overall CPU consumption. As soon as I load Filmora, and you can see the CPU consumption has gone from 50 to 98%, and then in some cases it will also hit 100%. Now we have to open its device manager, and then we have to go for system devices. Once we are within system devices, you have to look for high precision event timer. Once you click on high precision event timer, you have to right click on this option and then click on disable. Once you disable that, and then you can look at the overall CPU consumption. It's gone back from 95% or 90% to probably like 30 or 40%. If you have a gaming PC, it will definitely use the overall CPU consumption and speed up your system. Now let's add something. Let's add some titles on this timeline, and then we'll click on rendering button again in order to put extra load on the CPU. And here you can see that we are rendering this project again, and now you can see the CPU consumption yourself. So this is a very short and handy tip, and by doing this you can speed up your CPU performance, and it will have less load on your overall system, and as a result you will have a smooth working laptop or computer. That's it for today's video, guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.